If you do not have a plunger, there are practical emergency alternatives that can clear a clogged toilet quickly. Start by turning off the water supply at the valve behind the toilet and lift the tank lid so you can monitor the water level while you work. A straightened wire hanger can be used carefully to manually dislodge visible obstructions. Bend the hanger into a hook, wear gloves, and fish gently to avoid scratching the porcelain or pushing the clog further. Pouring a pot of very hot but not boiling water mixed with a generous squirt of dish soap into the bowl can lubricate and loosen organic clogs. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then try flushing gently. If you have a toilet auger, feed the flexible cable into the trap until you meet resistance. Rotate the handle clockwise to either break up the clog or latch onto it, then pull the material back out slowly. For sinks and shower drains in the same emergency, create a tight seal with a wet cloth over the overflow or drain and use rapid pushes with your hands to mimic plunging pressure. Always avoid pouring chemical drain cleaners into a toilet because they can damage pipes and create hazardous fumes, and if multiple attempts fail, stop and call a professional to prevent overflow and water damage. Common mistakes include using excessive force with a wire hanger, which can scratch or crack porcelain, so be gentle and stop if you feel too much resistance. Another typical error is pouring boiling water into the bowl, which can warp or crack the toilet. Always use very hot but not boiling water and pour slowly from waist height. People also make the mistake of relying on chemical drain cleaners after mechanical methods fail, which risks pipe corrosion and toxic fumes. Instead, switch to mechanical options or contact a plumber if the clog does not clear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects and urgent repairs related to plumbing and other trades. And we provide a community discussion area where people share tips and experiences about emergency alternatives and contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing project leads and enabling conversations with homeowners so both sides can connect directly.